What up guys, it's Jude. I have made two videos about the Pieme project and the Pieme token, and even held two AMA live here on this channel with the Pieme CEO, Kainja George. And I even showed you how to purchase the token at the private sale. In this video, I want to give you some updates on the airdrop, the IDO, launch date, the vesting period, and how you can make ₦1 million from this project. So let's get to it. So what is Pieme? Like I said, I have done two well-dated videos about the Pieme project. One on the project, on what the project is all about, and the other on the token economics and why I think it is one of the best I have seen. I'll leave the links to these two videos in the description box. Make sure, I highly recommend you go and watch the videos. It will help you understand the rest of the things I'm going to say in this video. You have a better understanding when you watch them. But in summary, Pieme is a social platform that connects anyone to local homemade meals. If you're a guest, you are exposed to lots of dishes in your environment that you will not naturally find in restaurants, and you get them at an affordable price. And as an approved host, you can make good income by delivering the food you cooked in your house to your loyal followers or host them in the location you choose. This does not stop here. Like every social platform, you can create and share content on the Pieme app, comment on other people's content, and have both private and group conversation. Guys, I have spoken with the team and there are lots more amazing features coming up that I'm not even allowed to say here yet in this video until it is ready. Now, 100% of the revenue generated from this project is going to be used to directly improve the quality of the Pieme token, making it extremely profitable for you, especially if you purchase at the pre-sale. The Pieme token is going to be used for all the payments in the ecosystem. 12.5% of the token was sold at the seed round, and 15.5% of the token is going to be sold or is being sold in the private round. This private round is going to end on the 25th of March 2022. Private rounds are not for everyone. They are usually by invitation, and investments are usually at a minimum of $5,000. But I was able to speak with the Pieme team to allow my community to invest starting at a minimum of $100. They agreed to this. This special package was meant to end on the 10th of March, which it has ended, right? But I have also spoken with the team and they agreed to extend this to the official end date of the private sale, which is the 25th of March. Now, I personally believe in this project and I want as many individuals to actually buy in early instead of few VCs, that is venture capitalists, buying up all the tokens like they always do. So you still have the opportunity to buy the Pi token at the private sale, and I'll be showing you how to do this at the end of this video. But this is not a financial advice and there are no guarantees. I am just presenting to you the projects that I see have great potentials and the action that I'm taking. You should ultimately follow the investment rule. Invest only what you can afford to lose. The token bought at the seed round have a 24-month vesting period after a 2-month cliff, which means that it will take 26 months for the seed investors to receive all their tokens, while the private sale investors have 12-month vesting period and a 1-month cliff. Now, the vesting period is put in place so that before the pre-sale investors start selling their tokens, the project will have started generating great revenue to add value to the token so that when they start selling, the token price will not just go down. Only 1% of the token will be sold at the IDO. Now, IDO is initial DEX offering, and this will be used to provide liquidity for trading. Future Finance is incubating this, and I see Pieme as one of their best projects yet. The remaining token has up to 36 months vesting period. Now, before I go ahead to tell you how to make ₦1,000,000 or how you can make ₦1,000,000 with a Pieme token, let me give you an update on the airdrop and the contents. Now, if you took part in the last Pieme airdrop held on this channel, the 10,000 Pieme airdrop, the token will be distributed to your wallet 1 month after the launch. This is because only the IDO tokens will be in the market the first month after the launch. So, how can you make ₦1,000,000 from the Pieme token? Let's look at the figures. The online food delivery business is a $675 million business in Nigeria and an $871 million business in South Africa as at 2021. And now, this is just 2 countries and not all the countries that Pieme is going to expand to. Pieme capturing just 1% of this market is already over 10x. The private sale price is 0.0955 and the IDO price is 0.15. Pieme being incubated by Shisha Finance and capturing 1% of the market can easily drive the price to $4 the first year. Let's say you got in at the private sale with the minimum amount, which is $100 and which is 58,000 Naira. At the price of $2, you would have turned 58,000 Naira to 1,160,000 Naira. However, guys, this is not a financial advice. These are just my speculation, which might be wrong. So you should definitely do your own research. And that will bring us to the end of this video. Hit that sub button if you have not, and click on the bell icon so you don't miss any of our time sensitive content. Most importantly, give this video a like. Now, let me show you how to buy at the private sale. So guys, to invest in the pre-sale, you have to fill this form. I'll leave the link in the description box below. So you just go ahead and just click on this form and this is what you're going to see. So the private sale price is $0.0955 and the minimum investment is $100 and the maximum is $100,000. The total supply of the Pi token is 100 million Pi tokens. The IDO launch is March and the listing is this same March. So these are their different handles. You have the website, the Telegram group, the pitch deck document, the one paper, and the product and all the rest of this. Now this address here is the deposit address, is where you send your token to. Guys, make sure you don't invest less than $100 because it's going to be rejected. Okay, and so this is the address you send your token to, and it is a BEP20 pegged USDT. It is USDT on the Binance Smart Chain. Now, once I'm done depositing, I'll come down to fill this form. So what I want to do is to send $400. I have actually done or made my own investment, but I just want to show you guys how to do it. Now I can deposit from my Binance account, right? So I'll just go straight to USDT and I'm going to click on withdraw. This is Binance, by the way. Then I'll enter the address here where it says network is Binance Smart Chain, right? Then what I want to deposit is $400. So it's coming out to be $399. This is because of the network fee. So I'm depositing, I'm sending $400. So I click on withdraw. So guys, I have deposited $400 to this address. Let me go ahead and now fill the form. My email address, who told you about us. So you just write Jude Umeano here. Now, how many Pi token do you want to purchase? So the price is 0.0955 955. Since I invested $400, so this is $400 divided by 0.0955. So this is 4,188.48 Pi tokens. $4,188.18 Pi token. So this is simply you dividing 4,000, or the amount of dollars you sent, by 0.0955. These are other information. The amount sent is $400. Transaction hash. So I have to go to my Binance to get the transaction hash. So if I open here, this is a transaction ID. So I just copy this. Now, other platform I have, if you're sending from other platform, there are different ways of getting the transaction hash. So just paste this here. Then provide your BEP20 wallet address to send a token to. Now, this is how you receive your token. In this case, do not send your Binance wallet address here. All right, send an address from your private wallet. Make sure you use something like Trust Wallet, right? So just go and create a Trust Wallet wallet if you don't have. So I'm going to just go straight to my Trust Wallet, and I'm going to send. Let me get the instruction again. So what is required here? Your BEP20 address to send the token. So what I'll do is go to my Trust Wallet. Now this is Smart Chain enabled, right? If it's not enabled, I just come here and click on this is Smart Chain. So just type it, Smart Chain, it will come out. If you don't have it enabled already, then you enable it. So that is Smart Chain. Then you click on it. Then you click on receive. So this is the address for Trust Wallet. Then you copy it and go back here and click on paste it here. So this is where your token will be sent to. That is it. You have filled this form. Then you click on submit. So it says, thank you for submitting your contact info. Pi team has received the information. So guys, this is just how you participate in this pre-sale.